In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and manage your business information on Fresha with a few easy steps. Let's get started by navigating through your Fresha dashboard, which is where all your business information and settings are conveniently located. When you arrive at your dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon which represents your settings. Click on this icon. It's essentially the gateway to customizing your business's setup and maintaining vital information. Once you're in the settings, your next focus will be on locating the section labeled Business Setup. This is crucial because anything related to your business's information, such as your name, address, and any external links you want to include, will be managed from here. Click on Business Setup to proceed further. Now you should see the Business Info section. This is where all your core business details are displayed. To modify anything here, you'll need to click the Edit button, which is conveniently placed next to these details. This allows you to change what's displayed to your clients and business partners, ensuring everything is up to date and accurate. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the part labeled External Links. This area is especially important if you've included any links to your social media profiles or other external websites. The focus for today, however, is on managing your Twitter link within this section. If you have a Twitter link already added and you want to remove it, perhaps because you've rebranded or simply no longer wish to have it displayed, this is the time to do so. To remove the Twitter link, simply click on it and either delete the text or use your keyboard's delete key to completely remove any unwanted characters. This is a great opportunity to ensure that all your listed links are still relevant and reflect your current online presence. After you've made the desired changes to your external links, it's crucial to save these new settings. Locate the Save button at the top of the page. Click it to make sure all your updates are securely stored. This ensures that any recent edits or changes are not lost, maintaining the integrity of your business information moving forward. And there you have it, a simple guide to updating and tidying up your business information on Fresha. It's always a great habit to keeping your online profiles as current and accurate as possible. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, take care and keep thriving.